Today, I'll show you how to change font in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, open the plan where you want to change the font. Before looking for a font setting, it is important to know that Microsoft Planner does not usually have a built-in option to change the font style for the whole board. This means you normally cannot choose fonts like Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, or custom fonts directly inside Planner. Planner uses Microsoft's default design, so the task cards, bucket names, menus, and task details usually keep the same standard font. However, there are still a few things you can do to make your text easier to read. First, you can edit the task title. Click on a task card, select the task name, and type a clearer title. Keep the title short and simple so it is easy to read on the board. Next, you can open the task details and edit the notes section. Click inside the notes or description area and type your information. While Planner does not give full font controls, you can make the text clearer by using short lines, spacing, and simple wording. You can also use checklists to organize details. Inside the task, find the checklist section. Add each step as a separate checklist item. This makes the task easier to follow without needing a different font. If you want stronger visual organization, use labels. Open a task and select a colored label. You can rename labels to things like urgent, review, design, or waiting. This helps you organize tasks visually, even without changing fonts. You can also use buckets to separate different types of work. For example, create buckets like To Do, In Progress, Needs Review, and Completed. If Planner looks too small or hard to read, you can zoom in using your browser. On Windows, press Ctrl+ to zoom in. On Mac, press Command+. To zoom out, use Ctrl- or Command-. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, you can also check Teams appearance settings or zoom settings. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner does not usually let you change the actual font, but you can improve readability by using clear task names, notes, checklists, labels, buckets, and browser zoom. And that's how you change font in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.